Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an important question for developers. Why is Linux better for programming? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coder, this topic can help you decide if Linux is the right choice for your workflow. Let's get started. Linux stands out in the programming world for a few key reasons. First and foremost, it's open source. This means the source code is freely available for everyone to view, modify, and contribute to. For developers, this translates to unmatched flexibility. You can tailor your environment exactly to your needs, whether you're working on web development, systems programming, or data science. Another reason Linux excels for programming is its compatibility with development tools. Most popular programming languages, frameworks, and tools are designed to work seamlessly on Linux. It also comes with powerful terminal utilities, robust package managers like apt or yum, and excellent Git support, all of which are essential for efficient coding. Let's not forget that Linux is the backbone of the internet. Most servers run on Linux, which means that if you're developing applications for deployment, working in a Linux environment ensures compatibility and reduces surprises when moving from development to production. Performance is another reason Linux is favored by programmers. It's lightweight, efficient, and uses system resources more effectively compared to other operating systems. This is particularly useful for resource-intensive tasks, like compiling large code bases or running virtual machines. On top of all this, Linux offers superior security. Its open-source nature allows vulnerabilities to be identified and patched quickly. This makes it a reliable choice for developers concerned about the safety of their code and systems. While Linux is an excellent choice, it's worth noting that it might not suit everyone. For instance, if your work depends heavily on proprietary software like Adobe's creative tools, you might face compatibility issues. However, for most programming tasks, especially web development, back-end work, or open-source contributions, Linux remains a strong contender. So why is Linux better for programming? It's open source, flexible, performance-oriented, and secure. It supports a wide range of tools and ensures smooth deployment workflows. For many developers, these advantages make it the best choice. What do you think? Do you use Linux for programming? Or do you prefer another operating system? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming-related content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.